Hey, it's Christina, and I'm from Northwest Kansas Radio. We are here at Oakley, getting ready to start the east leg of the truck convoy for the Special Olympics. So just to give you a little taste of what we got going on here, and I want to let you know that you can see us here. Gosh, how do I turn this around? There we go. There we go. All right, we are getting ready to get this started. Make sure we're going to be in the convoy. Make sure that you stop and wave at us. I've got my nephew and nieces with us. This is going to end up in Colby, and we're going to meet up with the West Leg, which is coming out of Goodland. And after we parade in Oakley, we'll get to Colby, and then we will parade through Colby. So if you're out and about, make sure that you wave. This is a special event. There's a lot of special people looking for you to wave at them and let them know that you support them. And if you have time, come out to the Oasis on the Plains. They're going to have some entertainment, some dinner, and I think, just a lot of good times. So this is the 22 Special Olympics truck convoy. We're getting started here in Oakley if you're just joining us. We're going to parade through through Oakley first. That's where we're at now. And then we will parade through Colby later. So make sure if you're out that you're waving at all these trucks and people that are supporting the Special Olympics. Special Olympics truck convoy starting here at Mittens in Oakley. We've seen vehicles with 2 wheels. We've seen vehicles with more than 4 wheels. And the 4-wheeled vehicles will be bringing up the end, which is where we will be. So make sure if you're out watching the convoy go by that you wave. We'll be waving at you.